CoverGirl Clean Foundation, a non-acnegenic, kind-to-skin formula that won't clog pores. It's a lightweight foundation that breathes with you. From CoverGirl.
One foundation for all. Meet Flawless Creator, our multi-use liquid pigments that are blendable, buildable, and customizable for a weightless coverage anyone can wear in any way. Because of its weightless texture, it's easily blendable for all skin types, tones, and conditions. Why is this different? Flawless Creator contains 33% high-performance pigments in a weightless, oil-free, and water-free formula that's never cakey or masky. This weightless coverage also builds, so you can use 1 drop for more of a light coverage and build up to 4 drops for more high coverage, achieving all coverage levels. So how do you use Flawless Creator? First, you want to shake the bottle really well. Squeeze the top of the applicator and shake again. This will ensure that you have a perfectly fluid foundation each time you go to use it. Whether you wear it alone for more coverage or mix it with your favorite skincare, you can apply it with a finger, buff it on with a brush, or apply with a sponge. You're the creator of your own flawless look. Once Flawless Creator has dried, apply a generous amount of our setting powder and allow it to set for 2 minutes. This will give you a 16-hour smudge and transfer-resistant wear.
They say at a certain age you just stop caring. I wonder what age that is. Simply ageless with hyaluronic complex. Plumps and hydrates for your best skin at any age. From CoverGirl.